Hey future scientists! This was meant to be a video on crystal growth, but became a review on this kit. We followed the instructions. We boiled the right amount of water, dumped the powder in, and stirred until the powder dissolved. We placed the rock in a container and poured the solution over it. We then placed starter crystals on the rock in solution and waited. The resulting crystals were so small and disappointing. After we poured the liquid off, we scraped the crystals from the glass. That was my fault. We should have used plastic bendable bowls. But the crystals weren't attached to the rocks, so we were left with a pile of crystals to dry and a wet rock. I refused to be defeated by this kit, so I made the plaster, poured it into the geode mold, let that harden overnight, then I followed the instructions for the geode. I also made a crystal rock with the remaining blue liquid and the plaster part. After waiting overnight, the crystals were revealed again, and I was disappointed. After some basic research, I found that the powders included in the kit can't even make the crystal structures on the box. I was hoping for something like this, but got this instead. So click this video if you want to see how to make this geode using items from the grocery store and pipe cleaners. As always, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video.